Brownie on top of the table. Grayson on the sidewalk. There's one little girl on the, whatever you want to call the chair. Camping chair. Hey, little girl. She didn't care. Here's the other little girl. Hello. Hi. She talks. She's a good girl. This big guy, this is where he lays now. And there's Mama. I pick up the food dishes. I just got home. There's Penny. There's Mama peeking in the door. There's Polly. Over there's Angel laying by the door. Who's crying? You, Mama? Let me out. Let me out. Good girl. There's Grayson. The big guy. And this is the daughter, Calico. I gotta give these kitties names. They're so sweet. They groom each other. They lay next to each other. They're so sweet. And Brownie's in the back there walking. Spraying. He walks around and sprays all the bushes every night. I just fed these cats. Except for Sugar's been hiding over here. She's a castaway lately. They chase Mom. Think Mama chases her out, but she took over Mama's spot. Come on, Sugar. Come on. Why don't you come out? Mama, shut up. You want to come out, Sugar? What's the matter? Come on, baby. Aw, come on. I put some food out. I thought she'd get along real well with the Calicos, but she hasn't been going over there. Oh, there's Angel now. Oh, little Calico wants to come and eat. That's my new girl. There's Angel. Where you going? I put the food on top here because the frogs are getting bad. And I have a trap. I already trapped 2 frogs. I have a little baby trap. And I've been taking them out. So I have to put the food on top. Frogs can't get up here. There's Brownie. Those 2 calicos are so active. And poor big guy just lays here. He's so big and fat. Let's walk around. They use this a lot though in the day. Mama's always right by my feet. What you doing? Ah, boy. I got housework and yard work to do. Look how tall these things got. They're taller than me. They really filled in. Mama! She's a pain. Okay. She doesn't let me walk unless I pat her. And Grayson's always right behind at arm's length because Mama's going to slap him if he gets any closer. But he wants to be petted too. See? See? She's such a snot. Poor Grayson. I put these chair covers up here and the cats lay on them during the day. And at night. Right? And it's also a little shelter in there for them. Okay. Signing off.